Are you a note investor that was taught to bid notes based on a percentage of UPB and you ignore all the other data points? Well, I'm going to show you why that bidding strategy can result in disastrous returns. As you can see here, we have two loans with very similar numbers. Loan number 1 and loan number 2 both have a $50,000 UPB and both have payments remaining of $180. If I bid both of these at 75%, my bid price is identical. We're treating these as same notes. If we look at the interest rate, this dramatically changes our returns. Loan number 1 has a 3% and loan number 2 has an 8%. Due to these dramatic differences, our returns equal 7.39 and 13.14. You need to calculate all the numbers and not just part of them. Feel free to reach out to us at jkpholdings.com to learn more.